Hello, I saw your question in the email. You didn't specify which problem you were having difficulties with. So I went in and looked at your homework. I noticed you were missing the relative frequency here, and that's what you mentioned you was having problems with. And so I guess it's high temperature maybe for the day. And so you want to add 17 to 43 to 68 to 69 to 77 to 68 to 23. And that gives you a total frequency of 365. And that probably corresponds, there's 365 days in a year. And then what you want to do to find the relative frequency is take the frequency here, this first case is 17, and divide it by the total frequency, 365, and that gives you 0.047 rounded. It says that once you round the nearest hundred, so you have to make this 5, and so they get an answer of 0.05. Then you would take 43 and divide it by 365. That must round to 0.12. You take 68, divide it by 365. Round nearest hundreds must be 0.19. Take 69, divide it by 365. That must give you 0.19. Again, round it nearest hundred. Take 77, divide it by 365. That'd be 0.21. Hope this helps.